Investigators say those residents should not have been forced to jump. So tonight we're asking who is ultimately responsible for keeping tenants safe. Pam Elliott, 2 News Investigates, has an answer.
Yes, our apartment building's on fire. We can't get out of our apartment. Our steps are blocked by the fire.
This call for help was similar to others we heard that indicated trouble.
Once I realized where it was, yes, I knew the potential for disaster.
We learned from checking public records that the 2-story building was built in 1970. Requirements were much different then, with one way in and out allowed.
I'm sure every fire chief in the state of Ohio, maybe across the nation, would love to see that change.
But right now, it's up to tenants in old apartment buildings to have an escape device like a ladder to throw down if trapped on an upper floor. Chief Chris Beringer says you should not have to jump.
There's no doubt in my mind, if they would have had some type of emergency escape device to go out the window, it definitely would have made a difference.
The chief building official for Miami County, which has handled Troy since 1999, says there's no record of an inspection at 32 Foss Way because there's been no permit filed to cause his staff to visit there. He told 2 News Investigates that will change if the owner decides to rebuild. Pam Elliott, 2 News Investigates.